was to cross the river. Understood? Now, now let's see next page. So she start, right? Again the first hours have so exciting. After breakfast, Omna climbed on the upper berth in her comic book. So bright and sunny outside. Suddenly everything became dark. It also felt a cold inside. She was afraid. Then the light in the train came come on, but outside it was very dark. Somebody, we have entered a tunnel. This goes right through the mountain. The tunnel second to gone on the, and then just as suddenly we were in daylight again. Outside it was sunny, bright, and the train had crossed the tunnel. She started her explained when she crosses the tunnel. She who the entrance of the tunnel, so they were the tunnel inside only mountain. This is past the mountain area. So the entrance of the tunnel area something like this, and when you were in the tunnel only very dark and there are not light. You cannot see any sunny in the tunnel area, and after the passing the tunnel get back to the normal light. This is how she crossed the tunnel. So Omna Appa explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. Since then we see pass through the 4 smaller tunnels. Omna started enjoying going through the tunnels. She felt very scared because it was very dark and different sound after that. After she used to it and enjoying. Understood? Now next. Have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? Yes, I have been through a tunnel. In the beginning, I used to feel nervous, but not anymore because I know it is all safe. Next, the route of Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? In the route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast, many water bodies and hills. So to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels. Got it, children? Now next. Imagine and draw in your notebook what Amna saw under the bridge when her train crossed it. Amna saw water under the bridge. There are some boats and fishermen also. Imagine if on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges, how would Omna's train have crossed the mountains and rivers? If there were no tunnels and bridges across the mountain and rivers, Omna train would not have crossed them. Understood? So now it is afternoon. For lunch they had idli vada that they bought from Udupi station. They also bought some bananas. These were very small and very tasty. So now the scene outside has changed again. Now they saw many coconut trees and green fields everywhere because they started everything into Kerala. Amma said that these are paddy fields. The house and villages look very different. People's clothes were also different from what she saw in Ahmedabad. Most people are wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. So this is what she saw. The clothes were very different and she saw different type of houses. And everywhere everything were looked different. So people have also got on the train from the different station. Some people got off and some people got into the train. Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode, which comes at the around 6 o'clock. They have exchanged addresses and place to meet in Ahmedabad. Now next question. So which language do you speak at home? So you can write whatever language you speak. Next, on the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omna's train went through several states through our country. Find out and list which states is crossed. So, already in the previous video, I told you from where they started the journey and they are going to end. If it started from Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra, Goa to Karnataka, and finally they entered Kerala. Understood? Next, find out in which states these languages are spoken. So here, Malayalam is spoken in Kerala, Konkani, Goa, Marathi, Maharashtra, Gujarati, Gujarat, Kannada, Karnataka. So you can try to explain the language of different states. Now it is night. They have also started packing up too. It was night. They were about reach Kottayam within 3 hours. This is where they have to get off from the train. So the night we will go to the Valiamma's house. So Valiamma's meaning is mother's elder sister. They called as Valiamma's. Tomorrow we will take the bus that will take Ammuma's village. Ammuma's meaning mother's mother. Ammuma's in Malayalam. So both are the Ammuma's and Valiamma are the Malayalam. So they were quite after all. They have been traveling on train for 2 days. This was a very long journey. They had a lot of fun. So Omna is going to put her diary away. So she was writing all this in her diary for her friend. She saying that she would writing again after reaching her Ammuma's house. Next question. What do you call them? So in the front of scene in Malayalam, Valiamma and Ammuma were called in Malayalam. So in your language, what was called for your mother's sisters? So I have written in Hindi and Tamil. So Hindi would be Mausi. In Tamil, mother's sister would be Chithi. Your mother's mother would be Nani in Hindi, whereas Patti in Tamil. Your father's sisters would be Bua, whereas Athai in Tamil. Your father's mother would be Dadi in Hindi and Patti in Tamil. You can write your own language, what you call this pupil, mother's sister, mother's mother, father's sister, father's mother. You can write this. Okay? Understood? So this what is given from a window, chapter 7 of EVS, class 4. So we will be see remaining in our next chapter what happened to Ammana's diary. Hope this video is useful and